Alright, hello everybody. Today we're going to learn how to do Metaverse Studio. We're going to do a probability today, this fine evening. We're going to look on how to do some probability stuff like coin flips, rolling dice, just having some good old percentages like 33% or some crap like that. So, I'm going to have just start a new experience and so go here. First off, we're going to let's do coin flip. So we got our character here, Coin Flip McGee. Alright. We'll put a picture here. To just put a picture, you click on it. You just click, yeah, you know that. You hit new if you want to upload your own picture like I did here. Alright. So then you go here. I'm going to hit try my luck. Flip a coin. Alright. So you just type up here and it'll put like text in this. So now you go to add new. Then we can go to probability and we're going to do coin flip. So let's add this here. So now you can click on this and go to, let's see, go to here. It'll say do nothing. Click that, hit transition to block, and transition that to coin flip. So now this button's tied to this coin flip. That's what you want. So on the coin flip, when it gives heads, we're going to want it to transfer to one other scene. And when you give tails, you're going to have it want to transfer to another one. So let's go ahead and add two scenes here. Just two more character scenes. Alright. Yep. Okay. So now you click here. So when you get heads, transition to scene. So this is scene 2. Oops. Okay. So then transition to scene 2 when we get heads. When it gets tails, we want to transition to scene 3. Okay? So, no, not congrats. Yippee. You got heads. And here we go down here. You got yippee. You got tails. Alright. So then after this, we want to have a button that ends the thing. So thank you. Play again. Actually, we're going to have a play again button. Spicing it up. So then go to thank you. And click on and then play again. So if you want to have it play again, just here, transition to scene. And you can have it go right back to the first one. Then here we go, transition to scene. Have it go back to the first one. Okay. So that's basics of the coin flip. It'll just flip a coin. You'll get two different actions. You can obviously hook it up to different things that aren't scenes, but just for this, I'm going to make it easy. So now, let's go to a new scene. This one we're going to do, let's see. We did coin flip. Let's do probability this time. Alright. So we're going to add our character. This is how you do a character. Probability. That is not good spelling. Probability man. Type image. So upload an image. We got percentage man, whatever. There he is. Alright. Create character. Alright. Now he's in there. Look at him. Oof, he look good. Alright. Hello. I am percentage man. Want to test your luck. No, it's not testing your luck. Give me some percentages. I don't know, whatever. Alright. So here, this could be like if you're making a game, like, I don't know, like swing it monster. And you have a 30% chance to hit him. Or you could cast firebolt. Then you have 70% chance to hit him. Like something like that, just anything like that, who knows. Like just that's for ref or like whatever, you know. Alright, so you click on one of these buttons and we're gonna want it transition to a block and go to simple probability. So on this block we're gonna have, so this I did 30% chance, so 0.3 oops 0.3 chance, so which is 30% probability. So that'll send us to this, then it'll 30% chance. So now if it passes 30%, if it succeeds, it'll go to one scene. If it fails, it'll go to another. So we'll add two new scenes. Alright, so probability. Alright, now, so if it succeeds, we'll go to scene 2, which is down here, and says, you have hit the monster. Congrats. And if it fails, we're gonna have it go to scene 3, and the monster eats you. The monster eats you. Bad luck. Alright, so those two set up now. Now for the firebolt one, let's go. Let's add probability. We're gonna add another one, simple probability. And we're gonna connect this one up to transition to block, simple probability. So now it's connected to this one. And you can use these buttons to zoom in and zoom out, by the way. So you go to here, now it's probability. So now we're gonna have, so I did 70% here, 0.7. And we're gonna have a transition to 2 different scenes again. Okay, here's a scene, here's a scene. Oop, that's the other one. And then, alright, so if it succeeds, go to scene 4. If it fails, go to scene 5. You can see the little things right here. It tells you which one it is. So, which one did we do? We did, if it succeeds, go to scene 4. Alright. Your firebolt lights the monster on fire. Nice. Now scene 5, your firebolt swings back and lights you on fire. That's not good. So that's messed up. So to make these end, since we're all done, you can have a button that says just end, do nothing, end experience, end experience, end experience, end experience. So now that's, you have these two and it has probability, and it'll go to here, check probability, and you can have outcomes that are based on percentages, which is pretty sick. So now we're gonna do, let's see, we're gonna do the dice roll. Good old dice roll. So you're gonna want both of these out. So what do we want the dice roll? Let's see. Alright, let's have it. Alright, let's make our character first. We always gotta have the character. Dice Man. Oops, that is not the right button. Okay, Dice Man. So upload image. Select my good old looking Dice Man right there. Alright, there he is. Hello, traveler. Spare me a dice game. I have no idea. Okay, so now we're gonna want roll the dice. See what happens. Okay, so when this happens, we want it to roll the dice. So transition to block, roll dice. It's gonna roll the dice. Then after it rolls the dice, we want to transition to block, check dice roll. So, and here is your dice string. If you don't enter this in, it's gonna continuously load when you try to use your app. It's gonna mess up. So you always gotta add this. So what this means is you're gonna, this is how many dices you want to roll basically. So let's say I want 2 rolls of a d6 dice, or for example 1 roll of a d4 dice, or maybe 3 rolls of a d6 dice, like stuff like that. Or if you wanted to have roll a d7 dice, I believe you just put a plus and then 1. So now this is 3 rolls of a d7 dice. But for now, let's just do 2 rolls of a d6 dice. You can mess with that if you want. So after it does that, it's gonna check here, and you want to put 2d6 again. You wanna, I'm pretty sure you want to have the same as this stuff. So now we want it. Let's see what we want. I think we want it. So 2d6, you can have a max of 12. So we want, I believe this is greater than. We want, if it's greater than 3, that means a success. No, you know what? we're gonna have equal 12. So if these both hit 12, then it'll give us a success. So now we can add new character scene, add new character scene. Success, you rolled a 12. You lucky. And here we can say unlucky, you rolled 1 through 11. Okay, so when you roll a 12, it's going to transition to scene 2. So success, you rolled 12. On failure, you're going to transition to scene 3. Alright, so now you're done. You can hit add action. Now end experience. Hit a button, end experience. You just put end here. Alright, time to test them on the old phone.
Alright, so here we got Coin Flip McGee looking good on my phone. So now we're gonna try my luck to flip the coin. We got heads. Thank you, play again. Try my luck. Got heads again. Let's go, dude. Luck again. Heads. Try my luck again. There we go, the tails. So you can see the coin flip works pretty darn good. Alright, now we got Percentage Man looking good. So now we got a Swing It Monster, 30% chance. Alright, we got eaten. I added a replay thing at the end, so. Swing It Monster, got eaten again. Alright, Swing It Monster. Alright, eaten 3 times in a row, let's go. Ooh! Hey, we got him. Alright, 30%. Cool. Okay. I cast Firebolt. Alright, it swung back and lit me on fire. Nice. Cast Firebolt. Oh my. Lit me on fire again. There we go. We got the monster. Alright, nice. So that worked. Here we go. We got Dice Man now. We can roll the dice. Now this one I have to get a 12, so good luck with that happening. But I'm sure if you set yours up to be easier, you'd be able to get a success thing. But this dude does not want to give me a 12, so I don't think I'm gonna get one. Yep, my phone's gonna die before I get one. Alright, yeah, you get the idea. So if I just keep going, I'll probably get 12.